Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I've got a huge Temu haul to share with you all. As you all know, I'm obsessed with Temu and they have some amazing things. I'm so excited to show you what I've got today. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let's get started. I just want to start this video with a quick disclaimer to say that this video is sponsored by Temu and I just want to say a big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. As most of you already know, I'm obsessed with a bargain and Temu have the most affordable yet good quality products ever. So I hope you all enjoy this video and let's get started. So for those of you that might not have heard of Temu before, they're an online shop that sell basically anything and everything at such an affordable price while still creating really good quality products. They have free delivery as well as free returns of up to 90 days and the delivery is actually a quicker turnaround period than I was ever expecting it to be. I think it took about a week for everything of mine to arrive, which I was really impressed with. You can also download their app which have even better deals, so they get even better prices, you can get your own personalised coupons, things like that, and it's such good value, so I definitely recommend it. So I have the biggest, and I mean the biggest bag full of goodies here and I'm really excited to unbox them together. So I've already done a Temu haul unboxing, beauty accessories, things like that. Today is more home, household, clothing, that kind of thing for this haul, which I'm so excited to try out. I'm going to start off with the clothes and then move on to the other items afterwards. I was really excited to try these clothes out because I've never tried any of Temu's clothing before, but I was really impressed. So firstly I've got this two-piece Coard Set. So it comes in this cute beige colour. So we've got this top here and they're a little bit oversized but in a really cute way. So this is what the top looks like. It's got a bit of a turtleneck which I'm obsessed with at the moment. That's like such my style. This is what it looks like. It's a bit of a cropped top as well. And then the trousers are the comfiest things ever. They are so cosy. They flare out a little bit at the bottom, which I love, but they are so cosy. I love the ribbed effect on them as well, but they're made out of such a lovely material. I absolutely love cords because I feel like you can just mix and match them with so many different things. You can wear them as the cord themselves, or you can mix and match with different tops, different trousers, things like that. You can create so many outfits out of them. Next I've got this top, and this one I actually found really confusing when I put it on for the first time, I'll be completely honest. This one I wasn't exactly sure how to wear, but as soon as I got it right, oh my days, this has been one of my new favourite tops. I think it's so elegant and it gives me major holiday vibes, which I absolutely love. It is so comfy and it's made out of a really nice material. It's a little bit stretchy as well, so that's really good for the sizing. I absolutely love this. It's like a knitted top. I love the straps. I think they look so elegant and so classy, and it's just such a beautiful piece. So this one I've got in a size small, and I also got the Coard Set in a size small as well, which seemed about perfect for me. I'm usually around a size 8, so I think their sizing is actually really good. So I will also stick all of the prices on the screen for you so you can see how affordable these items are, because I can't believe how good quality these are for how affordable they are. I wasn't expecting them to be anywhere near as nice quality material. So next I chose a jumper. This looks so cute. I love how simple but effective it is. I love this hat on the front. I think it's so nice. And it's actually got a really nice fit to it as well. Some jumpers, like I love wearing jumpers and hoodies and I love comfort clothes, but a lot of them just look really baggy and just don't have a nice fit to them. However, this one's a little bit oversized, but it's still got a really nice fit to it, so it still looks really cute. So this one is, I think I got it in a small. Let's have a little look. It's really soft on the inside as well. The material is really fluffy and soft on the inside. As you can see from what I'm wearing today, I love this kind of style with the multiple shades of grey kind of like stitched in. Really effective. I think it's so nice, and it's another piece that I definitely wear around the house as like a little comfort piece, or if I want to go out but I don't want to get really cold wearing like a dainty top, that'd be such a good layering piece. So next I've got a 4-pack of tops in here. So these are so nice. Again, they've got a bit of a high neck on them. I'll show you the black one, but they come in black, there's a brown, there's like a rusty kind of like red, and there's also a white in there. So this is what it looks like. I love the shape of this. I love a high neck with like no sleeve at all, and it's also cropped. This is like the perfect kind of tee for me. I think it's so nice. This is the kind of thing that I wear all of the time while I'm filming. I have so many tops like this, or if I'm going out shopping or anything, I love to go out and wear one of these tops with like a pair of jeans. They look so smart, they feel so comfy. Let's see what size I got this in. I got this one in a size small again. I do think I got a few mediums in this haul, but this one was also a size small. I love the elasticated feel of it as well, because one of the worst things about a top for me is when it's like squishing you and like you just feel like you can't breathe. So like I said, you also get these in 3 other colours in there, so you can mix it up. So in here, this one I actually really liked on the website, but when it's come, now I kind of feel like I still love it, but I feel like this would be such a perfect gym piece. When I originally saw it, I thought it was going to be like the other tops I've just shown you, but now it's come from the material and just the way that it's styled, this would be the perfect gym top. I've got into exercising a lot more this year, and this would be such a lovely top for that. So I love the ribbed effect on the front, really nice and elasticated. I absolutely love the design. I think it looks so cute. It just reminds me of the perfect like workout top. So the next one I got, I actually picked up 2 different ones of it because I absolutely loved it. I thought it looked really nice. So I got one in black. I just got a very similar one in a turquoisey colour. So this is what it looks like. I really like this. This is something very different for me. I don't normally go for like a bit of a square neck. I don't think I've ever bought anything or got anything before with a square neck on. So I was really nervous to try this on, but I really liked how it looked. It's a very different material as well. I don't know how to describe it, but it's got a bit of a bumpy material. I think that looks really nice. It makes a change for me. Absolutely love these stripes down the front. I'm going to show you the turquoise one because that's so dark I don't feel like you can see it as well on camera. But with the turquoise one, you can see what I mean with the stripes down the front now. I think it really helps to shape your body, and not necessarily actually shaping it, but the visual effect of like the stripes. I think it's so cute, and I love the colour of this as well. I just couldn't choose. When I was on the website, I couldn't choose between the black and the turquoise because I love things in black. I feel like black outfits, like anything goes with them. But as soon as I saw the turquoise, I just couldn't not get this. This could be like a gorgeous pop of colour in your outfit. I think it is so nice. And again, the material feels really nice. This one isn't as stretchy, but for the shape of it, you don't really need it to be stretchy. But I really like it. So next I've got a really cute tee, which I'm going to show you now. This one, I love the writing on it. And I just love the actual picture as well. I never actually saw the writing when I saw it online, but it says, "Choose to be kind." But this kind of like mandala effect here on the top, I think is so cute. This one is a V-neck, and this is the kind of thing I don't normally go for. A little bit like the square one, I don't really go for this kind of thing, but when I tried it on, I fell in love. There's a couple of different ways that I had ideas to style this. It has no sleeves as well, which I really like, but I think it is such a cute top. I just love it. I think it's a really nice material as well. It's quite thin, so it's not too heavy. It's not going to be too warm, but it's still really comfy. It still feels like a nice material. I got this one again in a size small, and I just really like it. I think it is such a lovely top. I really like that. Love the design on there. I wanted to get like a variety of different things to try and to, you know, see if they're any good or not. Then I've got a pack of 3 tops here. These are crop tops and they are so cute. I'm going to try and unbox these. For the first time I had a little look at them and I was like, I don't really know whether I'm going to like these or not, because I'm not usually into like frilly things. And if you can see on here, at the bottom of these tops, they're quite frilly. I'm not normally into that, but when I tried it on, it looked really nice. So I've got this in white, I've got it in a grey, and then I also got this in black, and it comes as a set of 3, which seems really good value for the price that you're paying for them. This is what they look like. I just love the straps because they're so dainty, but if you look a bit more up close, they're so like fluffy and soft, and they're really nice material. They feel so cozy. Then I also got another hoodie. This one I really like. This was so cozy when I put it on. I was doing my try on haul just before this, and honestly, I just could not take this off because it was so cozy. I then didn't want to get changed. So on the front, this is what it looks like. It's just a plain black hoodie. Then on the back, it's got all the writing on. I used to wear things like this all of the time, but after the house move, I can't really find half my clothes, so I'm really happy to have this. It's got writing down both sleeves as well. I just think it looks really classy. I love the shaping of it, and like I said, this is so cozy. If you look on the inside, it is so so fluffy and so cozy. This is one of the most perfect hoodies for just wanting to snuggle in bed, or if you're like just do a little bit of work on the sofa, working from home. This is perfect. It's so snuggly and so comfy. So the last item of clothing I've got before we move on to the home accessories is this cardigan here. This is so nice. Again, really, really cozy, but it's nice and lightweight, so it's not going to be too heavy. This is so pretty. I used to have so many cardigans when I was younger, and I used to wear them all the time, but I can never find any now. I feel like I'm always short on them. But it's got a block colour design from black, grey to white, back to black again. I think it's so classy, but it'd be a really nice little pop of colour, something a bit more interesting in your outfit. It's also got long sleeves, which I think go really, really well with the length of the actual cardigan. I really, really like it. Now on to the home accessories. So last time I did a Temu haul, I actually got a container for my cotton buds, which I've currently got in the bathroom because I was using them last night. But it's got a bamboo lid on it, and I absolutely love it. So this time I spotted a cotton pad holder, which is the same design. So this is what it looks like. Let's take this protective sheet off here. So this is what it looks like. This is the perfect size for my desk, and it's again got the same matching bamboo top on. I absolutely love this. I'm forever literally using cotton buds. I've always got them out, and they just look so ugly in the packaging. So if you got them in one of these, I think it looks so much more classy, so much more organised, and a lot neater as well, rather than having them just displayed all over your desk. It looks so much better to have them in one of these. I'm really excited to show you this next one. So in my makeup drawers, I have loads of different containers and separators, but every time I open and close my drawers, they're always moving around in there. I've got this, which is supposed to stop them from doing that. It also protects the inside of my drawers from getting makeup all over them. So it's basically a rolled up sheet of like plastic, and it's got all these little grips all over it, and I'm so excited to try these. I've seen so many people say they was an absolute lifesaver, and it was so affordable, and you actually get so much of this, so it's going to be able to line pretty much all of my drawers, I'm hoping. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go and see if it actually does the job and if it's any good. So if you're interested in seeing this, I'll probably do a bit of a transformation video over on my TikTok or my YouTube shorts, so definitely look out for that. What is this? I have no clue what this is. I cannot remember what I ordered. I'm really intrigued though, because I cannot remember what I ordered here. That's the best thing about ordering online, is I'll order things and then like a week later it'll all come, but I've ordered other things since then on other websites, so I just can't remember what's come half the time. But I was really impressed by how fast the delivery was on this. I was expecting it to take a lot longer than it did. It came so quick. So this is a light up mirror. It is so cute. I don't need any more mirrors in my life, but as soon as I saw this, I had to have it. So this is what the mirror looks like. Best thing about this is the fact that it's portable. I love how skinny it is and how lightweight it is. I wasn't sure how heavy it was going to be until it arrived, but it's really, really lightweight. It's actually a really good quality mirror. Like, it's such a nice mirror. Best part about it, it's touchscreen. So you can have different lights on it. So you've got like a warm light here, bit of a cooler light, and then this one is like a mixture between the two, like warm and cool. It's also got a little thing on the back, which is a little stand there, which helps to stand it up if you're doing your makeup, things like that. I absolutely love this. I think this might be my favourite thing from the haul. So it actually comes with its own little charging wire, which is a USB to USB-C, which is the newest like universal one that everybody's using now. How do you charge it? Oh, just behind the little stand there is where you charge it. I love it. It's so compact. It's the kind of thing that I've been needing for the longest time. I love a good mirror, but half the time, like if I'm in a hotel doing my makeup or anything, the lighting is absolutely terrible. So to have a little light on the front of it to be able to see better what you're doing, I think that's so nice. You can see there how strong the light is. Like, it is a strong light. I am really, really happy with that. So we're now getting down to the last few bits. So the next one I've got is a water bottle. I have ordered a Temu water bottle before, which is this one here. I've been drinking from my desk. I absolutely love the quality of it, and I use it all of the time, but I wanted one for my car as well. So this is what it looks like, which is so cute. I love the colour of my other one, but I might love the colour of this one even more. So it's got a little chart down the side with like hours, so like saying 8 AM, 9 AM, 10 AM, you know, 2, 3, 4 PM, and it says getting started, remember your goal, keep chugging, don't give up, almost there, you did it, refill. Basically to encourage you to drink more water, because I'm terrible for forgetting to drink. and on the other side it's got the measurements of how much is actually in the bottle. So you can fill this up to 25 ounces, which is 750 ml of water. So it's actually got a really nice secure cap on it. So you've got this little bit here which you can kind of lock on and then unlock when you want to use it. Open it up there, and it's literally the same as my other one. It's just so nice. You've got a little straw in there, and then you've also got a handle that you can take out like you've got on my other one. I really like it. I just wanted to spare one for my car, so I'm really happy about that. Like I said, I think this one might be my favourite. So if you just compare the two, they are both so cute, but I'm really living for the pastel vibes of this one. I also picked up another hairbrush. So I already had one from Temu, the yellow version of this. It is such a nice hairbrush. It's so gentle on my hair. It detangles really, really well. I just really, really like it. It's so affordable too. So when I saw that they had a smaller version, I had to pick it up. This is going to be so nice for my bag. I absolutely love the colour as well. The contrast between the black bristles and the turquoise handle is so pretty. I love this kind of design on the back. Makes it so gentle on your hair as well. It's such a nice brush. So I had to pick up another one of these when I saw they did smaller versions, so I could have a little one for travelling too. Then the last one I've got is probably one of my favourite things from this haul. It is so pretty. So this is a little jewellery box. Let me actually get into this. I really struggled to choose what colour to go for this because they were all so pretty. This is what it looks like. It's so compact, it's perfect for travelling. Then you've got this little keychain here that you can open it with. And then when you look inside, this is what it looks like. I'm sorry, but how cute is that? You've got a little separator here with 4 bits in. You can actually take that out if you just want like it to have one big bit, but I personally prefer to have the separator in so I can have my jewellery like separated into different bits. You've got a ring holder here. I love wearing rings. I hardly wear them when I work just because I always forget to put them on before filming, but I love rings. So you've got a little ring separator, then you've got 3 little hooks on the top here, and as well as that you've got a little pouch there, so if you've got any extra bits that you don't want to put in any of these, you can stick them in there. I can't believe how much you can actually fit into this little jewellery box. This is absolutely perfect for travelling. So nice. I love the colour. Really, really lightweight as well, so again, perfect for travelling, and you can fit so much in here, like I said. Absolutely perfect. Definitely between this and the mirror have to be 2 of my favourite things from this haul. So that's it for my clothing and Temu haul for April 2024. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to shop from Temu. You can shop on their app. They currently have like up to 90% off in sales because it's absolutely insane sales. I also have a discount code that you guys can use, so make sure that you use that because you can then get some money off already extremely affordable prices. But that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know any other videos you'd like to see in the comments down below. Let me know your favourite products from this haul as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!